All right, we have a 2005 Acura TSX Honda Accord, driver side front door lock actuator. Here it is. There's a screw. Flip this tab. You want to make sure to slide it on the metal rail back here. And when you take this cover off, there's a black little tab. Make sure that this is not underneath the cover when you put the cover back on. And also, this tends to rub against this plastic housing, so I just got a knife and I just cut this little piece off so that this won't rub when it goes back and forth. There's 3 screws up front here. They correspond to these. You definitely want to make sure to remove this because this releases the window frame rail, and you need that to get it out. You won't be able to access this tab that's down low right here because it's going to be covered, or at least I didn't get it that way. I took it from the top, which is there's a tab that looks like this one, except it's buried back there in the frame rail, right where my flashlight is pointing. I didn't take that one out, that white one. You see there's another one a little further back right there. You can see it right there. I took that one out, and when I released that one, I was able to slide the mechanism out this way. So the installation is the reverse of removal. Hope that helps, guys.